Hello again, this is Keith Davis at KLJ Instruments. There are two more topics to discuss related to 1090 MHz ADS-B. These topics are ACRAB's replies and 1090 interference. I will select the WAM mode and then 1090 target setup. At the top of this menu are the ACRAB's parameters that are programmable. I will leave the Mode A to Mode A spacing at the minimum value of 120 microseconds and program the Mode A to Mode C spacing to 200 microseconds so that we can distinguish the two on the oscilloscope. I am setting both the Mode A to Mode C PRF and the Mode A to Mode A PRF to the maximum value of 500, again to facilitate viewing on the oscilloscope. I will leave the Mode A code for target 0 at 0 and the altitude at 0 feet so that the Mode A and Mode C pulse patterns will be distinguishable. I will enable target 0, waypoint 0, and then set the scenario time to 30 seconds and compile. I saved the scenario as W ACRABS, so now I will run it so we can see the ACRABS timing on the oscilloscope. As you can see on the oscilloscope, there are a pair of Mode A replies spaced at 120 microseconds, followed by a Mode A reply and a Mode C reply spaced at 200 microseconds. We can distinguish the Mode A replies from the Mode C reply because we left the Mode A code at 0, so the Mode A reply consists of only the two framing pulses, whereas the Mode C reply also has some data pulses. Now I will slow the oscilloscope sweep so that we can see the 2 millisecond spacing between bursts. This reflects the 500 replies per second PRF. The final 1090 MHz WAM topic is interference setup. This menu is very similar to the asynchronous interference with the same capability to enter RF frequency, average number of ACRABS pulses, and number of fruit at each RF level. However, the total amount of interference is limited because only channels 4 and 5 are available. The interference is internally summed into the MLAT1 through MLAT4 output ports. This video concludes the 1090 topics for WAM mode. The next video will discuss the UAT features of WAM mode.